नमस्ते बिटिया। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। प्रोग्राम नेम एमएससी मैथमेटिक्स, course name numerical computation, and session of today is numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. As we are knowing well, a differential equation is an equation which consists dependent variable, independent variable, and differential coefficient. So ordinary differential equation involves only one dependent variable, that is x. Here dy over dx is equal to fxy is the ordinary differential equation of the first order. Here initial condition are y is equal to y0 and x is equal to x0. A solution of differential equation is any curve or any function which satisfy the given equation, given differential equation. Or in other word we can say किसी भी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन एक फैमिली ऑफ कर्व होती है। वो कर्व इस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करता है। जो भी वैल्यू इस इक्वेशन की हेल्प से हम y की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे उसको इस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में पुट कर देंगे तो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगा। दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ऑर्डिनरी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। नाउ मेथड फॉर फाइंडिंग the differential equation is Euler's method. This is Euler's methods in order to find out the solution of differential equation. Let us consider a differential equation dy over dx is equal to fxy. Here initial condition is x is equal to x0 and y is equal to y0. Suppose we are to find the value of ym of y corresponding to the value xm of x. सपोज कीजिए हमको वाई एम फाइंड करना है और एक्स की वैल्यू एक्स एम के रिस्पेक्ट में। फॉर दिस वी डिवाइड द इंटरवल एक्स एम माइनस एक्स जीरो इंटू एम इक्वल पार्ट। एक्स एम से लेके एक्स जीरो तक की जो भी इंटरवल है उसको एम इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर लेंगे और प्रत्येक इंटरवल की जो लेंथ है वो एच होगी। कहने का मतलब x1 minus x0 is equal to h. Every interval has h length. So xm is equal to x0 plus mh. Let x1, x2 dot xm minus 1 be the intermediate point of the corresponding value of y, be denoted by the y1, y2 dot m minus 1. In this method we assume that the property that in a small interval a curve is approximately a straight line. Therefore, at the point x0, y0, curve is approximated by the tangent at the point x0, y0. We know that the equation of tangent line is given below. As we know, the equation of line will be y minus y0 is equal to mx minus x0. Here m is the tangent. Tangent is nothing but it is first order of differential dy over dx at the point x0, y0. So equation of tangent will be at point x0, y0 will be y minus y0 dy over dx at point x0, y0 x minus x0. So in differential equation dy over dx is equal to fxy, so putting the value dy over dx at point x0, y0 it will be x0, y0. So y is equal to y0 plus x minus x0 fx0, y0. So x minus the value of y1 of y at x is equal to x1. So putting the value y1 at the place of y. So it will be y1 is equal to y0 plus x1 minus x0 at x0, y0. So x1 minus x0 will be h. It is difference between two consecutive terms. It will be h. So y1 is equal to y0 plus h f x0, y0. With the same argument, the approximate value y2 of y at point x is equal to x2, it will be on the same of equation third, it will be y2 is equal to y1 plus h f x1 y1. In general, if at the place of y2 we put ym, so it become similar way ym is equal to ym minus 1 plus h f xm minus 1 ym minus 1. This is the final solution of Euler's method. I hope you will be satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please comment in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.